Hello friends, my name is naveenmandhan and today in this video I am going to show you 2 ways how to convert USB device into bootable device or bootable to normal device. So let's start it. I have copied Windows 8 from CD, so let's see how this Windows bootable in USB. First of all, download Rufus. The link of Rufus is given below in my video description. After download Rufus, then extract and open Rufus.
When you open Rufus software, then first of all do plugged in your USB in your PC. After plugging USB, the software is automatically catch the USB device. Then go into boot selection and select disk ISO image and go into select option and select your Windows, which is download or copied from anywhere. After selection, then press start button, then you face a warning option that told you if you want to convert your USB into bootable device, then your whole data in your USB will be deleted. If you want to convert your USB into a bootable device, then press OK that and then waiting for complete boot system. Now your USB is converted in bootable device. Here, as you can see, USB device which is completely converted into bootable device. Now we see how bootable USB convert into normal USB device. Again, open Rufus and plug in USB and PC and go into boot selection option and select non-bootable and click on start button and then waiting for complete boot system. After complete boot system, now our USB is unbootable. Here is your USB device. Now the device is unbootable, so here is the way in which USB device is bootable or unbootable. Thank you for watching my video.